Stir, Crack, Whisk, Bake, a little book about little cakes. Today is a special day. Let's make cupcakes. First, we gather the ingredients. Use your finger to drag each one to the counter. Next, we measure the dry ingredients and pour them into the bowl. Oops, the flour spilled a little. That's okay. Use your finger to brush it off the counter. Time to mix. Let's use the whisk. Swipe your finger around the bowl. Now we measure the rest of the ingredients in another bowl. All that's left are the eggs. Tap each one to crack it and add it to the mix. Let's shake it up. Shake the book to mix everything together in one bowl. Carefully tilt the book this way to pour the batter into the pan. Now let's send these cupcakes off to the oven. Wave goodbye. They're almost done. Only 10 seconds left on the timer. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding! The cupcakes are out of the oven, but too hot to frost. Blow to help cool them off. Now the cupcakes are cool. Look who's arrived, a beautiful bowl of frosting. Can you dip your fingers in the frosting, then swirl them on top of each little cake? Wow, these cupcakes look delicious, but something's missing. Blow a kiss and see what happens. Sprinkles! The cupcakes are done. Now we can share. Some for friends, some for family, some for you and me. Today was a special day because we spent it together.